So here we are. Good morning everyone. It's 6:30 here in the Snowdonia National Park. Nice early start, 3 AM alarm. Just slowly making my way up the path to today's mission, which you guys can see if you continue watching this video. Enjoy. Slowly making my way up the first mountain, and I've just realised that I've set off on this walk back to front. I couldn't care less when it's conditions like this. It's bloody beautiful, so fresh out. I hope it dumps it down all day. So a little bit of information for you now on Cnicht. Originally, when I did the Snowdon Horseshoe, beepity beepity beep beep, the last mountain or climb, as I was walking up towards it, it just resembled the Matterhorn to me. So I nicknamed it the Welsh Matterhorn. Little did I know that Cnicht is actually the Welsh Matterhorn. So back in Switzerland for day today. Just hoping that it clears up a little bit. It's been a beaut morning so far, but could do with some blue skies for a bit of drone work. I've even woken up the locals. Morning. Hello doggy. Been walking for around an hour or so now, and come across probably 5 or 6 of these old dwellings that the miners obviously used to live in, and then we've got all the slate tailings from the quarry. If you're ever in Snowdonia and you fancy a bit of safe caving, go below. Really good experience. I think it's about £85 for a full day of activities in the mine, but really good experience. I can highly recommend. Now when you're hiking in snowy mountains and it's a bit cloudy, you could quite easily get lost, so you sort of rely on signs. I'm pretty sure it says do not go off piste. Oh, I'm making up quite a bit of elevation. It's getting extremely cold. was quite nice, probably 200 or 300 metres lower. I mean, it was absolutely chucking it down with snow, but it was warm. Well, not warm, but not cold. Fact knows, it was warm, it was cold, fucking take your pick, mate. There she is, Stwlan Dam. I've been up and down Cnicht, but it was just a bit too foggy and cloud covered, it never cleared. I was getting extremely cold, so I had to move on, hoping it clears just as I get down to the bottom of the dam, because that's the main thing I've come for, really. It's a photographer's paradise when it's clear. A little bit gutting, literally just where the dam top is. I've just been up there and it's just pure fog, you can't really see, but then down here it's not too bad. So go down a little bit and get a drone shot, see if it's any good. So I'd given up basically. I mean, there's the dam up there. Got quite a bit down the mountain. I thought I'll just put the drone up just to see if it's clear above the dam, and it looks pretty spectacular. So I'm darting my way back up. Hopefully it stays clear. I'm gonna try and get to the middle of the dam and get a good shot. There we have it, Stwlan Dam, hydro dam right in the heart, the centre of the Snowdonia National Park. It's got its own little mountain range, beautiful walk. It's just a day out. Today has made me realise just how easy it is to miss opportunities in life. Like today's whole purpose was filming the Stwlan Dam. And I set off at 3 in the morning, 3-hour drive, walked for 2 or 3 hours before I got to the dam. When I got to the dam it was just pure fog, you couldn't really see more than 5 metres. That was always forecast, but it was supposed to clear at about 9 o'clock, 9 this morning. Got to 9:45 and it was still, visibility was really bad. So I basically called it off and I started walking back down the hill, and I looked back up from the bottom quite far away. I could just see it getting a little bit clearer, so I sent the drone up, and again it wasn't the best visibility, but it was getting clearer. So I just thought to myself, I'm not in a rush today, get back up there. So I walked back up, and literally as soon as I walked up the steps, some of the best views I've ever seen, best drone footage I'll probably ever get in my life. Just shows, be patient in life, calm and patient, and opportunities will happen.